Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
सुरूची झाडां आनी रेवेचे दोंगर हीच मिरामार दर्यावेळेची सैमीक सोबीतकाय. तीच सांबाळून दवरपाक महापालिका आनी सरकारान काम करपाक जाय आशिल्लें अशें नगरसेवक जॅक सुखीजा सांगता.
The Honorable CM, when he announced this, he said that this would actually be built for as a retaining wall. Under the garb of a retaining wall, you did this plastic pathways, you did this concrete structures, and you can see all of it has been dilapidated. Any citizen or any normal person with common sense knows that Miramar is a coastal beach with very strong winds. You see this casuarina trees, you see the sand dunes, you see the vegetation here. They are our natural protection. But what have we done? We have decided to flatten all this and get in concrete under the garb of protecting the beach. And we can't see the wall being built anywhere, but we have had this come in. And at the end of it, the effect is a big zero.
फुटपाथीचेरूच चलपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी कांपाल आनी आल्तीन वतली. हांगासर कित्याक येवपाक जाय काय म्हण पेट्रिशिया पिंटो विचारता. आयकात.
This beach is for people to enjoy the natural beauty of the beach. The sand, the water, things like this. Nobody wants to walk on pathways like this, and then they're broken. This also was built there, which slowly disintegrated by itself. Then, if we want to walk on something like this, we'll walk in Panjim, in Altin, in Santines. It's all over. It's hard ground. We don't have to come to a beach to walk on such area. So my appeal to smart city officials: you have wasted money, but please dismantle it. We want our sand back.
Bureau Report, Prudent.